Exploring English, the magic of A and N. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English grammar to uncover the subtle yet vital difference between the two indefinite articles, A and N. We will explore their usage, when to use which, and some handy tips to remember them. Let's unravel the magic of A and N together. Indefinite articles are the unsung heroes of English grammar. They're small words that prepare us for what's coming next. In English, A and N are the two indefinite articles we use. We call them indefinite because they do not specify a particular thing or person. Instead, they refer to any member of a group or category. Now, let's talk about when to use A. We use A before words that begin with a consonant sound. For instance, I saw a dog in the park. She is a teacher. Remember, it's about the sound, not the letter. For example, we say a university because university begins with a U sound, which is a consonant sound. On the other side of the coin, we have N. We use N before words that begin with a vowel sound. Examples include, I ate an apple for lunch. He is an honest man. Note that we say an hour instead of a hour, because hour starts with a vowel sound, O, despite the fact that H is a consonant. Here's a fun way to remember the difference between A and N. If the next word sounds like it starts with a letter from A, E, I, O, U, use N. If it sounds like any other letter, use A. This method isn't flawless, but it will work for most everyday speech and writing. And there you have it. The simple yet significant difference between A and N. Learning English grammar can seem like climbing a mountain, but with each step, each word, each article, we're getting closer to the summit. I hope this video has made your ascent a little easier. Remember, practice is key. Keep practicing, and soon using A and N will be as easy as ABC. Until next time, happy learning!